Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Palm Springs local and long distance movers near me. With 3 Movers, you'll get the most out of your money. Our Florida moving companies can assist you if you're relocating your family or business. If you require assistance with a local or long distance move, 3 Movers can assist you. Moving requires the assistance of a reputable moving company. If you hire the right moving company, you can make a long distance move a breeze. Analyze the feasibility of relocating the company. It may be useful to refer to previous client feedback. As a result, you will receive unbiased information regarding a firm's performance and effectiveness. Moving companies should be familiar with the nuances of the state they are moving to. In this situation, the move will take place in Florida. 3 Movers employs a team of state-licensed professionals. Your relocation may be delayed during a road closure or accident, resulting in a simpler process. If you would like a free estimate, we would be happy to provide it. We pay for our local jobs based on how long it takes us to complete the task, and we will be able to assist you in making the transition as seamless as possible. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Palm Springs moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.